Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show how to install WHONET from scratch and add those customized configuration files along with the code files into your newly installed WHONET. So first, to start with, we search for WHONET download in Google, which will take us straight away to the landing page of the WHONET software, and we proceed with downloading the latest one, the 64-bit installation file. And as we can see, it starts downloading. Meanwhile, there is also a training center and a discussion forum that you can visit to know more about WHONET installation. And the forum, it's got a community, just got people actively discussing about WHONET. So the WHONET file has been downloaded. I'll just go to my downloads, and the file is there. We just double click it, let it install. Allow the file. It's preparing to install. We accept to the license agreement, and it normally installs in the C drive. Just let it install there. As you can see, it's a very quick process. Ta-da! WHONET installation successfully completed. Close. As you can see, the shortcut file is available on desktop. We use it to open WHONET. As you can see, there is a test laboratory already there. To open, we need to open the data file. The file is present within the data folder. This is the sample data, which we can open to check the configuration. As you can see, it's a very small configuration file with a very limited number of data fields. So I'll exit this and I'll show how we can include the customized configuration files here. For that, I've taken the configuration files and the code files in a pen drive. We'll just go to the configuration files. I will select them all. Press copy and find the WHONET file in the C drive. Coming to C drive, the WHONET file, and I just paste the configuration files here. As you can see, the configuration files have been pasted. Now let's go and check if they have reached the WHONET. Once we can open a laboratory, and here we can see the desired configuration files have reached us. How we just open a laboratory? In order to do a data entry, we need to create a new file. Yes, a new file is being created. As you can see, a full-fledged laboratory with all the configuration has arrived. We are just one step away where we need to configure all these data fields and the configuration file is available in the code files. Next, what we do is go back to the USB drive, get the codes, select all, copy them, come back again to the WHONET file, WHONET folder in the C drive, and go to the codes and paste them here. As you can see, all of them have been pasted. Let us go and check our blood culture laboratory data file. Well, as you can see, the codes and descriptions have been mapped now. The lab is now ready to use. Thank you, everyone.